Have you ever wanted to change your iPhone's location for privacy, gaming, or to access geo-restricted content? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to spoof your GPS location on an iPhone using MagFone Location Changer. Whether it's to explore Pokémon Go in a new city, access region-specific content, or just prank your friends, this method is quick, easy, and effective. So grab your phone and let's dive in. Download MagFone Location Changer. Head over to their official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows, so no worries there. Run MagFone Location Changer on your computer. Select Change Location option, and click Start button. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. MagFone will detect your device automatically. If it doesn't, make sure you've unlocked your phone and tap Trust this computer when prompted. After clicking the next button, then you have to turn on developer mode on your iOS device by following the on-screen instruction. Once turning on developer mode, you can use MagFone Location Changer with your iOS device. After entering the map, you will see the software set your current address according to the system default, and you can select a destination you want to teleport. You can either click on any spot on the map or enter the address in the search box. Proceed to click the Start Modifying button to change your location on your device. And you will find that your location is changed several seconds later. Because the internet speed of my mobile phone is not good, the exact location is not displayed here, but based on the location of Lake Michigan, we can judge that the location has been changed correctly. It is very easy, right?